I'm so sad. I love your outfit, ate. It's so pretty.
Thank you so much. It's only 179.
Talagang may price, ano?
It's okay. We're in the car too.
Going to Antipolo.
Hello.
Oh, and another ate.
Buhay lang.
Busy na.
Masyadong arrogant dito.
Merry Christmas, Noah!
May papansin, may pop-up. Wow! Bukas ang delivery ng bags.
Ako lang kaya lagi nag-BJ. Moron pati.
Kano mo? 550. Ay, hindi. 500 lang pala.
Kasi nga wala na stock ng nature.
Sa Gcash yung 500.
Yeah.
Bayaran ko yun.
We don't know.
Okay. Ano mo, i-send mo sa akin.
Pop-up ano?
Anong pangalan? Siya itong pangalan na ito naglabas? I-send mo sa akin.
Yung mga ano yan, yung biyahing bandiya. Luhay lang.
I bought yun. Yeah. Ano daw? Ang dami mo na mga request. Hindi ba ako na-swim?
Ano daw?
Ang dami mo rin pop-up nature, pop-up seasons. We're going to Antipolo.
Sana hindi maulan. Kasi maulan dito.
But it's raining so much. Like, so much. Gusto ko, alam mo ba, nakarating kaming naiyak kagabi?
International Airport.
Practice lang.
Pagkatid ka ay pagkasundo.
Pag sundo kay Tita Mildred, practice. Yes, I miss you, love. Of course, I
Oo,
always
dapat
miss you.
nagpinicturean natin ano para ano. Tapos si Sir Dad, mauli na ito si Mildred ay kung katapusan.
Yes, I will go home soon. Let's not talk about when. Just...
Ang gasolina sa PJ.
Kaya nalabo na tayo. Ang hirap niya talagang galitan, eh. Kasi nga, si Noah, na nakaraan, ginalitan na siguro siya ni nanay at ang kulit niya. Sabi niya, nanay, shopping is bad. It's okay to feel mad. Just take deep breaths. Aww.
Masarap po ganun Spanish natin sa breakfast.
Ay, public.
Nang ano, nang ano?
Masarap ang Spanish latte yung sa Sunny's. Po, baby.
Oh!
Oo, punta pa na silang Naga. Oo, kailan daw sila mapunta?
Managa kayo, legit? Ay, kala ko i-invento na naman yan.
Oh, Ate Jen, it's bad
No,
boy.
there's a rain in my heart.
Nainin mo yun. Mga OA.
Later, you will go home next time.
Kailan kaya? Are you happy? Oh, what's in your heart?
It's blood and vessels.
I sleep every night. I cry.
Oh, it's Christmas. Are you happy?
Merry Christmas, Ate. I'll
Ay, read na naman. Kahit saan. Tingnan mo yan kasi regalo namin sa kanya. Tingnan mo. Ay, naglag. Uy, ano? Uy!
Wow!
It's a garden house.
So pretty.
Oh, may nakalutang na Spider-Man. Ay, robot.
Ayan, uy, nasa taas. Ang creepy niyan pag nilalakad. Yung, alam mo dyan, yung tinatawag na megalophobia. Rico, yun, oh. Ayun.
Yeah, may ilaw ba na gabi?
Pag gabi, mas creepy siya.
Meron pa nga tao.
Maulan sa Metro Manila.
Are you happy? You want more?
Yan po.
Ayan ate, oh, ito. Can you see? The creepy
Ayan, oh.
ones.
Titan.
Ate, can you see the titan? No, look, oh, there's a giant here.
Is it because of...
Baby, look, oh, there's a giant there, oh. He's standing there.
Ate, pala ako pa. Wala siya nakikita.
Ay, sorry. It's my phone. It's a me problem. Ate, look, oh, I bought a jacket yesterday.
It's so cheap.
Yes, 200.
So cheap.
Your book is more expensive than my jacket. Uy. Oh, 300 plus 200.
Baka tayo dyan,
Where are you
maangat.
going, Noah? Hindi ko rin mo naiintindihan. Mas mga OA na lang. Can you sing for us? Can you sing a Christmas song for us, please? You always read, aren't you tired? Ano?
Oh.
Thank you, brother. Brother promised you.
I'll stop, but promise me you'll stay. Ito talaga yung laban sinuwa sa storytelling.
I thought we were gonna sing a Christmas song.
Kakantay niya sa'yo 12 days of Christmas, mga
Tagal
baba.
mo nun. Anto ka na.
Tapos, pag nakanta mo na yung 12 day, may summary pa ng 1 to 12 ulit.